Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Delegation. I'm Joe, and this week I'll teach you how to accomplish more by working less, and how the more you delegate certain tasks within your firm, the more time you'll have to focus on increasing productivity and revenues. There are at least 5 different ways in which virtual assistants can help increase your time savings. Here are the first 2. Number 1, manage your email. Your VA can do email writing, sorting, and keep track of essential information which comes in. Then respond according to your direction. You can always approve and direct everything, so there's no risk of mismanagement. But it is definitely time saving. Number 2, web content and website. These days, creating web content and managing your website are 2 main tasks for your company. Your VA can help boost your SEO because you need to regularly create web content that is of very high quality and give constant attention to your website to be managed. Next week, I'll talk about the remaining 3 ways in which virtual assistants can help increase your time. Like for a second part, feel free to share and follow us on all social media for more tips on the art of delegation. See you next time.